So, sorry for the lighting, guys. I don't feel like turning the lights on. It's early in the morning. So I'm gonna do a little short review here on the Anker Solix cooled and freezing coolers. We had a lemonade location this year for our rental business, and we needed a refrigerated cooler that could keep us from having to use as much electricity all day long. Anyhow, and to cut down on our usage of our solar powered generators. Anyhow, we bought for $300 a cooler from Anker Solix, but it was definitely not this size. It was smaller. It was specifically, to the specifications we needed for space, width, height, all of that. It never showed up. Then we contacted them. Very supportive, no problems getting a hold of them. And they discontinued the item. Well, we had spent the money. It had been a while, before we even got this information. So they felt bad. They didn't want to refund us. They would, but they didn't want to refund us. Would you be interested in taking one of these bigger models? And by the time we got through this whole process, we said, yeah, go ahead, as long as you send us this and it comes with that, we'll go ahead and take a cooler that we know costs more now than what we paid. But Anker was really good about just saying, hey, we want you to try the bigger one and just hopefully you're happy with it. If not, let us know. So it plugs in to your regular outlets, AC power, and you can run it right off a plug. And you got one side with its own cooling fan. You can make that over here with the settings. You can make this to where it's a cooler or it's a freezer, your choice. You got another side, same thing. You can make it a cooler or a freezer, its own separate blower fan. You can make the whole thing freeze. You can make both sides just cooler. Couple more unique features here. You not only have your whole digital display and settings, but over here on the side, if you pop this little lid off, you'll see this battery. Now when you pull that battery out and then you charge it, you have 5 days of usage off that one battery. Notice you got another spot over here. That's for another battery. Those batteries are $250. The cooler comes with one. You can get 10 days usage with no power out of these coolers with 2 batteries in here. Believe it or not, and it's just because of what we went through. This is in no way, shape, or form something I would expect the company to do for more than one person or over and over. Because of what we went through, they actually are sending us another battery included. So overall, very, very happy about what we got. Only thing I probably left out is you got wheels, you got a measuring ruler on both sides of the top, you got a handle over here, but you also got a flip up. You can pull it by this, or you can pop that out and lock it in. You got a cutting table or an extra spot over here. which is not a bad feature. Not a bad feature. And then you just clip it, lock it down. But I really think it's a great product. I think you guys are going to probably hear more about this company, and maybe others like them. I don't know all the different companies out there that make these things, but this thing was almost frozen in like 10-15 minutes. The temperature was just ice cold. I'll let you know maybe in a later video how the batteries work and how long they really last. 5 days on one battery, 10 days on 2 batteries. That's pretty good, guys. No ice needed.